Hey everyone, welcome back to another episode of Technologyglance. Today, in this video, I'm going to guide you through how you can mute message notification of someone on Messenger. So, let's get started. Firstly, open Messenger app in your device. Then find the ID which you want to mute. Then long press on it by tapping on it. After that, you can see the option of mute. Tap on it. Next, select the option of mute message notifications. Then tap on OK. Then select the time period. Here I am changing for 24 hours. Next, tap on OK. So, this is how you can mute message notification of someone on Messenger. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, we would love it if you hit the thumbs up button below. We upload great new tech tutorials like this one every day. So, do not forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update.